Case name Sekaran and a complaint of high pitch voice, and today date is 1st May 2025. Sekaran, from where you came? Why you came?
Hi, my name is Sekaran. I came from Malaysia all the way to see doctor. I came here because I want to correct my high pitch voice.
Post-therapy video of Sekaran, and today date is 8th of May 2025. Sekaran, I want speech sample after the treatment. What was the problem and why you came, and how do you feel after the end of the treatment, and from where you came?
Hi, hello doctor. My name is Sekaran. Came from Malaysia. I work in Singapore. So I came here for my high pitch voice treatment. Usually when I talk over the phone, a lot of people are commenting that I have female voice. I came here to correct the voice. However, after the treatment, I feel like my voice has been improved. When I call my friends, they say that my voice has been changed.
And you have recorded in your mobile also the first day sample and today's sample. What changes were there?
There is a huge difference in my voice, and I feel very happy about it on the treatment that I got it.
So you came here from Malaysia, or he came here from Singapore?
My native is Malaysia. I work in Singapore, so I flew from Singapore to Bangalore here.
Okay, so do you think it was worth to come here?
Definitely it's worth for coming here, doctor.
So what message you want to give the people, those who are watching, especially international patient and facing similar kind of problem?
I would highly recommend to take the treatment from Dr. Sanjay. He is a very experienced doctor and guide me from beginning to this stage, and I improved my voice speech.
Yeah, and even you can say SLP Sanjay Kumar also, because SLP means Speech-Language Pathologist. That indicates my profession.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, so can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah, sure. I'm glad my video has been shared to a lot, people to improve their living style also.
Yeah, to get the confidence. So thank you for permitting the video and for helping me to create awareness across the globe. Thank you so much. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see positive change or not, just write in the comment box. If there is a positive change, like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place for the correction of their problem. Thanks for watching.